In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Wix. We'll walk through this inside the Wix editor step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you've opened the site where you want to add the new landing page. Once you're inside the Wix editor, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Find the one labeled Pages and Menu. This is where all the pages for your site are managed. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, a panel will slide out showing a list of all your current pages, like Home, About, or Contact. At the bottom or top of that panel, you'll see an option that says Add Page. This is what you'll use to create something new. Click on Add Page. Wix will now show you different page types and layouts you can start from. From the options that appear, look for the one specifically labeled Landing Page. Wix provides this as a separate option because landing pages are usually focused on one clear action, like collecting emails or promoting a single offer. Click on Landing Page to tell Wix that this new page should use a landing page style layout. Next, Wix may show you a variety of landing page templates. This is where you can choose a design to speed things up. If you want to use a template, take a moment to scroll through the options. Look for a layout that matches the purpose of your landing page. For example, if you're promoting a webinar, you might choose a template that has a big headline, some descriptive text, and a prominent button or form. Remember, you can always customize the text, images, and colors later, so focus mainly on getting the structure you like. Once you've selected the template you want, confirm your choice by clicking Add Page. This action tells Wix to actually create the new landing page and add it to your site's list of pages. The editor will then open that new page,